And ownership starts with visibility. The more you see, the more you can improve. Welcome to Abelara's ProveIt session.
Congratulations, Mr. Customer. You made a great choice on hiring Abelara and us to deliver this to you. So let's go ahead to our demo pretty soon. So, okay, now we know who the customer is, okay? Now we know what problem they're trying to solve, reduce cost. So they challenged us with waste. So he's not really sure on how much water is going down to the drain, on how much water it's overfilling. That's our task, okay? Now, Abelara cut through all the noise. They made my job really easy, so I just have to deliver on it, okay? So let's go to it right now. We chose to use, I chose,
Cappy Hour chose.
Cappy Hour, all right. Mm-hmm. On site 2, to work with site 2 on Enterprise B, does anyone know how many lines do we have on site 2, Enterprise B?
3?
No, less than 3? That's easy, all right. 2 lines, they have 2 lines in there. They wanna track, thank you. They want to track waste, okay? So we walked the walk. Now, we talked the talk. Now time to walk the walk. We're boots on the ground, hands on. Let's do it. So with Litmus Edge, we installed this OS on bare metal. We got $1,000 industrial PC. We put that in there, and now we are configuring our drives. We make the connect, okay? So remember, they don't have SCADA on this site here. So we are making all the connections here using Allen Bradley, Siemens, all the drives. In this case, in the virtual factory, using the MQTT. All right, we had all the metadata, we made all the calculations. So because we know CPG, we know food and beverage, okay? So one of the tasks that I have, it is to grab how many bottles, good bottles we are producing. So good counts, right? So how many bottles is going through the filler, less the scrap, less the rejects. How many, what's our totalizer? How much product is going through the line, okay? So now we're gonna look into the flow meters. We get the raw value from Enterprise B. We need to aggregate, right? So we need to see how much product is flowing through over time. So now we made a good graphic in there. We know our SKU number. We know that we are running 500 milliliters. If you watch our live stream, you will learn a little bit more about how to fill a bottle, how to perfectly fill a bottle. 500 milliliters, we put 8 milliliters of required overfill. Our target volume is 508. Anything above 508 is bad. It's considered excess overfill. We're gonna show that to you. Quality is getting sample every hour, and it's showing 520. All right, so we are already above target. Now I'm showing you live on how much product we are putting is excess overfill. All right, we found out the excess overfill. Everything else we considered spillage. That's actually how much product is going down to the drain. They told me a dollar amount, okay? So this is some dollar signs on how much their product cost. So in the last hour, they are putting, you're wasting $551. Now we have live data. You no longer have lag indicator. You have a live data for real-time decisions, right? Before it was just a straight pipe pouring down to the drain. Now you can pull a lever and make the difference. Now, this factory, we calculated about 11% waste, okay? So, real factory, real application. I've done almost 20 of those already. Good number, below 12% for sure. A very lean factory will operate around 3 to 4% waste. Anything above 10 is bad, right? So, this is after this, we're gonna calculate return of investment.